is back on YouTube, guys. We going max 60, 70 pips max on extremely high volatile PA. Hey, if the risk does not match, the risk does not match. It's not the trade for us, no FOMO. Okay, but I was saying, just to get back to it, I was saying that right now the range that we are playing is very nice. It's very nice. I'm very positive about the range that we are playing at. People on YouTube, let me know if the sound working now. Let me know if the sound is on. Thank you. Let's go. Amazing, guys. Thank you, bro. Thanks to you, team. Range is amazing. PA is still difficult to trade. PA is still difficult to trade. Like I said, for the new trader, for the people that were trading over a year, you guys know that it's not a normal PA. For the new trader, you gotta understand that 3, 4, 500 pips candle is not normal, okay? 2 years ago, our TP3 was 150 pips, you know? And now, we got some TP, 200, 300, 400 TP, and sometimes some of you guys are like, well, yeah, okay. It was a nice trade, but only 300 pips. All right, guys, 300 pips is amazing, team. It's amazing. What is a PA? PA is price action. PA is price action is just a small abbreviation, so I don't always have to say price action. Very nice structure on the XY right now. Gotta wait for a retest of our zone. Team, everybody's here now. I want you to take a pause, to take a break, to listen to me. And I want you to put the same fib as me right now. I want you to put the same buy fib as me. And I'm switching on the H1 right now. I'm on the H1. And if we're ranging in the same kind of area, all right, then I want you to put the same fib as me, very important, because that fib could trigger huge level. First of all, we have the 38 that we are playing right now over here, 38. We have our 61 lower, all right, 61 at 42.95. And finally, we have our 88 at 41.61. Those 3 levels could get huge pips. Those 3 levels are potential level that the PA could bounce back and come back to 51, 52, 5400, okay? So put the same fib as me right now, all right, guys? I'm giving you the time to put it, screenshot it, all right? I'm on the H1 right now. Lowest fib is on the liquidity wick over here. We're talking about exactly 4100, okay? 4100. Highest wick on the highest impulse over here, 4605, all right? I'm giving you a couple of seconds still to put the same fib. Take a screenshot, guys. Morning from this side of Adele. Morning, Miss. How you doing, Miss? How you doing? 4605 is the highest. 4603, yes, sir. Let me check the exact fib. To be exact, 4602.645. All right, the highest fib, guys. Okay, now I think everybody got it, team. I just wanted to take a moment so you guys really can have the same fib as me. For my short fib is a smaller fib, all right, guys. Highest impulse over here. We're talking about 45.26 to the lowest impulse, which we just broke, by the way, which is not completely valid for now. So we'll see if we are able to make something happen with our 38 level. A Money Thursday coming. Yes, team. Here we go, guys. Everybody had time to put the same buy fib as me, guys. Very important, like I said. There, Nikolai, how you doing, man? Are you in the buy now? No, I'm not. No, I'm not in the buy. A piece of your love, a piece of your love. I'm calling you up to get down, down, down. The way that we touch is never enough. I'm turning you up to get down, down, down. A piece of your love, a
What? Sorry, just repeat. What it is?
It's raining now in Dubai. The lovely weather. Wow, nice. That's nice. It's been raining in Dubai for a couple of days, no? Where I became profitable for first. No way. What do you mean profitable for the first time? What do you mean profitable for the first time? Guys, bring it's amazing. It's amazing. Ciao. It's amazing, but I just want to make sure you know that the definition of profitability is well understood in the trading community. Let me just change my chair because that one is making weird sounds. It's pissing me off. Oh, all right. Way more comfortable as well. Woo! Down, down, down. I'm training for 6 months and I take my first big. Wow, that's amazing. Bro, that's amazing. Love it, bro. That feeling, save it, feel it, enjoy it. That money, all right, put 50% in your live account or 75% in your live account. Spend the rest. Spend the rest on something that you can feel, on something that you can touch, on something that you can enjoy. And once you spend this money, then I want you to take a deep breath, to take a moment and to say, I just have this in my hand, or I'm leaving that with the money I made from trading, with those numbers, all right, that meant nothing in the first place, but I was able to convert this money into something physical, into something that I can enjoy. And from now, that's gonna have a declic. And this is not taking me. I put 44 take. What do you mean? Puma, what an advice, bro. I need to send. No, you don't. You don't, bro. You need to build your funded account. You need to enjoy this money. You don't need to send me money, of course not, bro. Don't spend money on. I mean, guy, bro. If you wanna bring your girl on a date, Nikolai, with a certain amount, it's fine as well. You know, it's fine as well. So, whatever thing that you enjoy doing on a day-to-day basis, but I want you to do the same thing with this trading money. Franklin, thank you for the heart, man. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you, bro. It's working, bro. Amazing, Ricardo. Amazing, bro. Super solid reaction on our 38 fib, guys, which again give us the indication which we already knew, considering the time frame that we put the fib, considering the fib that we place, that we are looking at a very strong reaction from our 38. If we are able to catch this trade, could be massive. I mean, only the first rejection, we talking about 44.10 to 40. We're talking about the 300 pips rejection. So massive rejection from this side. Which time frame you put the fib? The big one, H1. So the big time frame on our buy fib is H1, guys. The smaller fib is placed on the you can place it on the M5 or the M15. Doesn't matter. The smaller fib you can place it on the H1 or the M5. Doesn't on the M15 or the M5, doesn't matter. So we're waiting for it to come back down and then enter yes. So we're waiting for, I do not want to call that a retest. I want to call that a first test, all right? Because yes, we rejected our zone on the first rejection, but considering the time that we spent in our zone, yes, it's a first test of our zone, but nothing solid, nothing solid. Oof. Is there any news today, Adele? Yes, AdelX funded service. Yes, there are news today. Entry and TP. There is no entry. There is no TP yet. AdelX funded service after receiving the validated account to operate MailDusense. Of course I do, bro. Rico, of course I do, man. Once you get a prop, once you get a funded with my prop firm, then first of all I pass the account for you. Second of all, you get a lifetime access to the private group. So yeah, which is the beauty of it. I love this option. Of course, the free option, in my opinion, is amazing, especially if you're starting with not a lot of capital, which most of the traders started. Like I start with $1,000, which is not, 4 years ago I started with $1,000, which was all I had basically, and. Especially if you do not have a lot of capital, the free option is amazing, which is deposit with a broker. But the prop firm option is also amazing. I mean, pass the challenge for you, then you are able to get your first payout with the private group. Personally, I do not know a lot of traders that offer this kind of facility. I'm not saying that it's easy. No, really not. Nothing is easy in trading, but I'm just saying that it facilitates the process. Then my quest is verified. Let's go! Let's go, Dad. I told you, bro. I told you. Very, very fast, man. Very fast. Even if your country is not accepted, I were able to make it accept. Bro, if it's verified, it's verified. You're ready to trade, bro. You are ready to trade. I'm gonna verify it in my dashboard. And you're gonna be in the private group, bro. Guys, I just wanted to say that I did not open no spot for the private group for over a week. All right. After New York session, or maybe during New York session, I will open 10 spot today. I will open 10 spot for the private group today, guys. This week I opened 0 spot, and I'm getting attacked. All right. And I'm getting attacked. The only people that actually joined the private group this week, it's because they had the KYC on hold, or they took a funded account last week or last weekend. So I will open 10 places tonight, guys. Hello from Kazakhstan. How are you doing, man? Sky, how are you doing? I'm doing amazing. Thank you for asking, Sky. Appreciate it. Good, thanks. Nice.
What I would do to take away this fear of being loved, allegiance to the pain. Now I'm let me see your I would give anything to change this fickle-minded heart. Till I speak shiny things.
I'm ready to join the private group. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Hope I know you are in the live every day, bro, since a couple of weeks. So of course you're gonna have a priority, all right, over people that I never saw. Just make sure to text me as soon as I open the places, bro, because it's been a week that I did not open nothing, guys, and it's gonna go so fast. I don't know how many texts I received in the last week. I do not know how many texts I received over the last week. Over 500, easy. Over 500 for sure. So just make sure to text me as soon as I open the places. I guess I'm not missing London session PM money making Thursday. No, you're not. You're not gonna miss a New York session, bro. Of course not. What are Fibonacci settings level, guys? I cannot show my Fibonacci settings level on live. All right, TikTok do not like that, guys. TikTok do not like that. But bro, just give me a text on the tele. All right, just give me a text on the tele on AdelCFX support, guys. Make sure to join the tele. It's completely free, team. Completely free. Link in the bio. All right, everything is happening on there, guys. Just follow the step. I'll accept every one of you right before the next trade.
Tell me everything's okay. I got it. Ooh. I'm moving you and can't you see? I'm understand. We just want me in my peace. Tell me everything's okay. I got it. Ooh. And I'll be like you.
No, check your tele. Yes, bro, I got you. I'll check it right after, man. Check it in a couple of... Lena, thank you for the like. Miss, thank you for the like. Pops, bro, thank you for the like. Thank you, guys. Team today. Funded giveaway tonight. Funded giveaway tonight. I'm gonna give away 250K account. I'm gonna give away 250K account, guys. $250,000 account. So tonight, big night, guys. Private group places are opening. Giveaway $250,000 account. So yeah, give me brother, bro. Sammy, all. When I say that, you always say give me, bro. I do not just give the account like this. No, I basically give the account like this, but I do not choose somebody. You know, it's random. Of course, you gotta respect certain condition, which I will say tonight. But yeah, give me only $2,000 account. There is no $2,000 account. The minimum is 10,000, bro. What about us on YouTube? Ricardo, I got you, bro. I got you. Before the giveaway tonight, I'm gonna think about something, man. I'm gonna think about something, bro. Do not worry, people on YouTube. I'm not forgetting you. Opposite. It's the opposite. With the 25K funded, what lot size in case of the 1% risk per trade is combined with the SL. So it depends what is gonna be the amount of lot that you're gonna open. Mojai, hi Adel, good morning, man. How are you doing? Sami, mashallah, your energy is amazing, brother. Thank you. Lissandra, thank you for the flower. So yeah, for the, I don't remember who asked me the 25K question, but it depends on the amount of lots that you're gonna open with. If you open, let's say with a 0.50, all right, let's say you open with 0.50, then you know that you can never risk more than 1%, okay? You know that you can never risk more than 1%. So 0.50 with a 25K, opening with 0.50 lots, it's about what, $500, I think? $500. Lowest impulse on the buy zone. Lowest impulse on the buy zone. The lowest impulse on the buy zone is 4101. That's the lowest impulse on the buy zone, guys. I really want to take the time to show you guys both. I mean, I took the time to show you both of my fib, how they place, and I think I'm gonna do this before every session, but this buy zone have high potential of reversal, guys. So very, very solid buy zone. Yeah, I texted you, okay, support. Is it possible you check that? Not right now, but give me a... I'm gonna check that. Either my support will check it, or I'll check it out after the live, bro. Buy zone is on the 61 too. Is on the 61? A smaller 61? That's good to know. That's good to know. I know that's on a massive 38, so I didn't put a smaller fib on it. Thanks, man. Of course. Me too, broski. Yes, sir, guys. You're in a buy? No. We're looking to enter the buy, but we are not officially in no buy right now. Text you regarding the VIP since everything is verified now. Okay, amazing, bro. Amazing. Then, yeah, of course, you will be added to the private group right away. And then what's happening? What is happening? What is happening on that? I don't know. You let me know what's happening. Keep testing Asia low. Let me get some Q&As, guys. 1 second. Oh, all right. Get them likes up. I guess, guys. I guess when there's no 10K, there's no like, no? I'm playing. Yes, sir, guys. Make sure to like the live, team. Make sure to like the live. All right. Thank you, Jenna. Thank you, Jad. Appreciate it, bro. Ada, thank you for the like, miss. Thank you for the like. Appreciate it, guys. Of course, I'm not inside anymore, but still, guys, the like help a lot the live team. Adele, let's milk the market empty today. Let's go. But thank you, Ada. Thank you for pointing that out. Playing right over our buy zone. Playing right over our buy zone. I'm a bit aggressive with our buy zone. I will be aggressive with our buy zone. Very aggressive with our buy zone, guys. Give me a second, guys. I'm just updating the private group. All right, guys. You will wait for structure on 538? Yes, I will. Yes, I will wait for structure on 538. Like I always do, guys. Adele, since my account is $450, how many lots per trade? Good question, bro. Let me think about it, bro. Let me think about it. We'll talk about it in private, depending if you got problem over trading. If very quiet here compared to TikTok. Yeah, YouTube is a bit more quiet, of course. But yeah, Jada. Pubs, bro, thank you for the like, man.
What you do when you're honest? Yeah. What you do when you're honest? What you do when
But I have sent a request on Telegram. Amazing, bro. Amazing, guys. I'll accept everyone on Teleteam. I'll accept every one of you on Teleteam. Right before the next trade, guys, so you don't miss it. Adele, which leverage I can use for 0. The leverage is not very important. The leverage is not very important. You should use a leverage of either 50 or 100. More than that, it's not very it's not recommended, because a leverage more than 100, you lose a couple of price come up, a couple of pips, and you're in margin call, you know. So you do not want to go over 100. Never, you know. The lowest the leverage is the better, personally, especially if you're opening with 0.01. What does that mean? That means your capital, I mean, we're probably not talking about something more than $10,000. So it's very important to protect your capital, guys. Adele, did you take the sum 44, 57, 40? No, I did not. No, I did not take the sum 44, 47. This is a two-step sell, all right? This is a two-step sell that got previous rejection over here, all right, on the 38 fib. What we did after that, we did a perfect structure, a perfect buy structure. I was surprised that the price got rejected again, but right over it, all right? Then we did a two-step. What I mean by two-step sell is a small tap and go. We could call it a small stabilization of the price. We come down, we do a second stabilization of the price. I honestly was surprised that we went lower. I thought we would break it up and aim potentially for this 44.83, but no, I did not take it. No, it was not safe. It was not the best price. And now, how many 0.0 trades should you enter at a time with 1K capital? Or why would you enter multiple trades and not just one trade, you know? I'm not the type I'm not in favor. How it's going, Adele? It's going amazing. It's going amazing, bro. I'm not in favor of entering multiple position, you know? You should just enter one trade, okay? You should just enter one trade that you focus on, okay? A bigger position, you know, if for example you had the intention of entering 4 or 5 position, then just enter one position which combine those couple of small position, you know. Entering multiple position, nobody do it. Every social media do it, every social media trader do it, every, you know, people that do not necessarily know how to trade do it, but there's absolutely no point of it, absolutely no point of entering 12 0.01 position or 12, you know, it's like me, you know, I open with whatever amount of lots. Why would I open with 8 or 9 one lots position? You know, it doesn't really make sense. You should just open with one position that you know how to manage, that you can really dissect, all right? That you can really dissect, progressing on the different TPs. Where are you from, dude? I'm from Canada, from Quebec, Canada, Montreal, represent. What about you, bro? Pep Magno, what about you, man? Where are you from? Hi, what's good, Jib? Thank you, good advice, of course. How do we set multiple TP on one position? It depends on what, on MT5 or C-Trader? On MT5, I don't know. I never really trade with MT5. I don't know. There's easy tutorial on YouTube. MT5, I traded a little bit with MT5 when I first started trading, a couple of months, but I always traded with C-Trader. But setting multiple position, multiple TP on MT5, shouldn't be difficult. I mean, it's very, very easy with C-Trader, so yeah, not possible on one trade. Yeah, that's crazy. You see, guys, I mean, MT5 is stuck in 2016. This is why when people ask me if, you know, which trading platform they should take, there is no better trading platform, but in my opinion, C-Trader is way, way, way more modern than MT5. How can you not set multiple TP on MT5? It's kind of crazy. What about TradingView? You should never open the position on TradingView. TradingView is not a platform to trade. It's not a platform to open position. It's a platform to do analysis. I'm from Colombia, but I'm living in France now. Amazing, bro. No way. How come you went from Colombia to France if it's not too personal? Very massive change of scenery. First class. Super aggressive on the yield over here. After a very nice structure that we had during this Asia session. Very interesting, especially going up like this without much momentum, you know. First class. First class. Have 99% sure signal. You have 99% sure signal. Wow. And powerful scalping strategy available in my bio. Honestly, bro, you shouldn't change your speech. You should really change your speech. A 99% sure signal, bro. That scream scammer, bro. That scream, like you cannot. You really change your speech, bro. Please change your speech. Ciao. Don't look for buy. You guys are killing me. Don't look for buy, don't look for sell. Why? Why TMZ? You're right, but why not put a trade on TradingView? Because where are you gonna do your analysis? I'm in a sell from Asia, bro. So you telling us to not put a buy because you're in a sell from Asia? So we're gonna base our position based on your open position? Make it make sense, bro. Make it make sense. Step up. Step up, bro. Come on. I've swing trade for a long time. Don't go against the trend. Alright, bro. Alright. I wonder what you want me to tell you when you telling me that type of things. Bro, my leverage was 1 for 2,000. Thank you for saving me. Oh, 1 for 2,000 is crazy, bro. It is crazy. And actually, you can trade with TradingView. Depends on your broker. No, I never said you cannot trade with TradingView. Of course, you can trade with TradingView. But is it smart? No. You're never gonna see it. Why would you trade with TradingView? TradingView is not a trading platform. I didn't say you can't. Of course, you can trade with TradingView. But why would you trade with TradingView? This is what I don't understand. What's the best leverage for small account? The lowest, the better. But my leverage was, bro, a leverage of 1 for 2,000, it's gambling, bro. I mean, you're gonna, whatever amount you have, whatever position you're gonna enter, you're gonna be in margin call when you're gonna lose, a couple of pips. You always trade gold. What about currency? I always trade pairs, guys. XLUSD, that's it. You shouldn't trade more than one pair, or one currency, or one option, or one stock, or one coin, or crypto. Anyway, why not? Why not? What, bro? What's the best level? Yeah, like I said, the lowest the better. Especially if you have a small account. The lowest and the better. Playing 200 pips away from our buy zone. Could aim really quick to it Good morning, bro. How you doing, Zaka? How you doing, bro? How can I join the community, bro? Link in the bio, man. Link in the bio, bro. Free tele in the bio. It's completely free. Everything is happening on there, bro. Bye, buyers. Who buy on this, bro? Nobody bought on this. Hello, Adel. How are you? Mine is 3,000. Well, yeah, that's crazy, guys. Your leverage are crazy, team. Having a leverage more than 250 is crazy. Is wild. Is wild. This is pure gambling, guys. Pure gambling. A leverage of 2,000, bro. I don't even think you can lose a pips. Especially with a small capital. I don't even think you can lose a pips. Or maybe you lose like 10 pips and you're in margin call or something like this. Hello, Adel, how are you? I'm doing amazing, Prince. Thank you. Mine is 500. That's the lowest option there was. Yeah, that's a bad broker. That's a bad broker, 100%. If the lowest option they have, if your broker, the lowest option they have is 500, think about it. So the lowest option is 500. So basically they want me to lose my money. So basically this broker is not trustworthy. All right, super scam. What's the best leverage for a small account? Yeah, like I said, bro, the lowest the better. My account is 30 bands with 1 for 500. Way too much. Way too much. Bro, your account could be 30 million. Your account could be 30 billion and 1 for 500 is too much. You have signals, bro? I do, man. I do. Oh my God, made so much sense. Thank you for saying. Of course, very important. Very important, guys. If your broker only offer minimum of a 500 leverage, I mean, you know, it's not a good broker. Very not a good broker. So the private group you accept 10 a week, but the other group you accept everyone. Yes, so I have two groups. I have my private group. Farah, thank you for the flower. I have two groups. I have my private group, which I only accept 2 batch of 5 people, sometimes 3 batch of 5 people max. I'm trying to keep it very private. I have my big group. 1 for 1,000, c'est mauvais quoi. Ah bon, c'est beaucoup trop, frère. C'est bien trop. C'est au casino. C'est au casino en ce moment. Of course it is. Of course it is, guys. I would never affiliate myself with a guys. My reputation is everything, team. You don't understand the amount of broker or prop firm that approach me every day. You do not understand, and some of them are the biggest in the game, really. But there's a reason why I have my specific broker and specific prop firm. I'm super picky with that. Because the broker or the prop firm you represent is basically you know? It's your image. Do sensei on both, not only in the private group. But I say when I'm in, I say when I try some trade on online. What do you think of 1.2 sir for a $50 account? 1.2 lots? 1.2 what, bro? Leverage? It's fine. C'est quoi ton leverage sur un max 100, bro. Max 250. What do you think about yeah, it's fine, bro. It's good. $50 is kind of small, but Lena, thank you for the heart. Hopefully we're gonna play Maria today, guys. That broke my silence. VIP senior, Yes, private group, bro. Private group. Adele, is your support gonna reply to me on support? Yes, bro. As soon as you wake up. What lot size should I use if I have a 5k account? What lot size should you use if you have a 5k account? Depending if you're a gambler or not, depending if you overtrade, depending on other thing, but I would say live account of 5k, bro? Live account of 5k or no? Let's go move. Come on, we're all going to have a good day. God is great. Yes, sir, bro. Love the energy. Sex team, stand up. Love the energy, bro. But it depends if it's a live account or not live. 0.20. 0.25. To play, to play safe. 0.10. Morning, Adele. You good, bro? I'm doing amazing, man. What about you? What about you? I'm doing wonderful. I'll go have a banger today. Let's go. Here we go, team, aiming towards our buy zone, guys. This is why we are being patient, team. This is why we are being patient, aiming towards our buy zone. I missed you, bro. Big love, man. I'm gonna be super aggressive with this bison. Amazing. How are you, bro? Bruce Burner Bills. How you doing, man? I love your names, bro. I'm just reading your names and I'm happy, bro. Fucking love you, man. How did you get that bison level? I know you're using the fib. Yes, on the massive fib H1. If you do not have this bison, there's a problem with your fib. With your fib placement, sorry. Not a problem with your fib, there's a problem with your fib placement. It's the massive zone, the massive bison, the H1. I adore you. I adore you. Can't ignore you. I'm fine, bro. Amazing. That's amazing, bro. I'm Bruce Burner. Let's go. I can't believe it's your real name, bro. It's so badass. When you present yourself, do you say your whole name? Oh, what a rejection. What a rejection. Can we buy now? No. Tap and go? No. But what a rejection. This level is so solid. This level is super solid. Yes, that stuff. That stuff, bro. Where you from, Bruce? Where you from, man? If you buy, what would be your TP? If I bought, how can we buy on this, guys? We cannot buy on this, but when I'm gonna buy, final TP would probably be 44.83. Not probably. It will be 44.83. Uganda, freak out that stuff, bro. Big love to Uganda, man. Lena! Thank you for the like, Lena. You're the best. 50,000 like. You're the best, Lena.
I drive too fast with the
Pops, bro, thank you for the like, man. Appreciate you, bro. What do you think? Bullish or bearish today? Ranging today. We range today. Overall, we still bullish. Overall, we're still bullish if we're talking about overall on the daily. If we're talking about overall weekly basis, still bearish, yes. What I'm seeing with my eyes. What are you saying with your eyes? Big love, Lina. Thank you. Super rejection on the 38 again. Massive rejection on 38. That's a good close. That's not a bad close. We could aim right to it. Nice. 80 pips from it right now. 80 pips from it right now. DXY is still in the structure, which is good. It's preparing a big movement. Do you mark out those zones, or is that an indicator? So that's a Fibonacci. Our zone is always marked out on the fib, based on the fib. Hi Adele, what's good? What's good, bro? How you doing, man? You said gold is still bullish or bearish? Yeah, like I said, overall, if you're talking on the swing type of mentality, if you're talking about the swing type of mindset, we're still bearish overall. If we're talking about the day to day, we are overall we are still bullish. Bro, what is a Fibonacci? I don't know. Inform yourself, bro. Fibonacci is the main indicator that the bank use. Fibonacci been used by the institution, by Wall Street, by New York Wall Street since 1792. 30 decades later, they're still using the fib. So yeah, very important, bro. You should learn what is a fib. You should learn the different level of the fib. You should learn how are the different level used. You should learn the different specificity of every level. You should learn everything about the Fibonacci. Done by, no, of course not. There's no done by. But thank you for asking, bro. But no, Anibal, there's no done by. Handle for short, is it top to bottom? Yes, exactly, Jake. So short, top to bottom. So highest impulse to the lowest impulse, left to right. You want to buy lowest impulse to the highest impulse. Okay, after the live, I'm learning. That's amazing, bro. That's amazing. Thanks, bro, of course. Guys, for the new people, make sure to join the tele team. It is completely free, guys. Completely free team. Let me open my TikTok, guys. Link in the bio. All right, super easy, guys. Link in the bio. All right, then after that, you just gotta follow the step. You click on the three little dot and you open with the browser, guys. Everything is happening on the tele team. Really, everything is happening on the tele. If you do not want to miss nothing, I accept every one of you right before the next trade, which could be near us, considering the rapidity that the price action is moving. Mais si mon level j'ai 1 pour 1000, mais je mets 0 points. Ça change pas grand chose, bro. Même si tu mets. I mean, ouais. C'est pas le best, bro. C'est pas le best. And are you planning on making video? Of course I'm planning to make video on YouTube. Of course I am. I must learn, if you say even bank, yeah, of course, you must learn it. Very, very important, super important to understand what a fib is, how to use the fib, super important. Zoom, please. Zoom on what, bro? We're trying to zoom on. Do not consider Asian high, low, sweep, liquidity, etc. Your strategy does not need that. Sweeps and liquidity, of course. We always consider sweeps and liquidity. Sweeps and liquidity are sweep at least is in our main conference. Liquidity is on our second tiers conference. But extremely to understand that. Asian highs and low. We don't give a fuck about that, guys. Really. I mean, it's important to look it up sometimes, but those Asian high, Asian low, London high, if we break London high, then we potentially gonna go back to London low, and if we break New York high, then that means Asian low is gonna go there. That's some very, how could I say, to be like, I wanna find the word, that is some very, to be harsh a little bit, there is some clown things, all right? There is some clown thing, and of course, it's not your fault that you don't know about that, because everybody on social, you know, everybody on social, then those guys like TGR and all that, you know, they're all, you know, I can guarantee you that when an institutional trader do his analysis, when he come into the office, then he don't even look at the Asian low or Asian high, you know? You don't even look at this. So speak Hindi. I wish I could. I cannot speak Hindi. I do not even know one word in Hindi. Maybe you can teach me, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, it is, guys. It is. That's some. Yes, it is. It is to not to be harsh. Yes, it is. Alright, guys, we do not give a F about those type of things. But liquidity, sweep, super important, super important. Sweep and liquidity have absolutely no correlation with those Asian high, Asian low, etc., etc. And specifically, people talk about the Asian high and low. I don't know why. I saw some BS online, like if the Asian low does not get broken, then the first minute of New York Open, you gotta buy and it's gonna work, or some gambling things like this. People on social are crazy, honestly. And like they're saying things with so much confidence that when people are looking at the video, they're like, I mean, maybe there's something, you know? They saying crazy thing with so much confidence, and it killed me. But you know that, I guess that's the game online. That's the game online for anyway. The Chennai CTSMC or the CR. I don't even know what is the CRT theory. But yeah. What's the entry criteria do you look for before pricing a trade? Guys, you have between 11 and 14 confidence, between 7 and 9 to enter a solid trade. What do we look for? We look for fib rejection. We look for stabilization of price. We look for structure. We look for sweep. We look for liquidity. We look for potential floor level. We look for a moving average. We look for a trend line. We look for no higher high, no lower low on our structure. We look for bearish, bullish momentum. We look for a DXY, the yield, and silver. We look for many confluence. We got a strict trading plan. So yeah, like I said, between 7 and 9 confluence. And I'm not talking, when I say confluence, I'm not talking about fib rejection or just fib in general on our confluence. So yeah, these I just named about what, 9 to 10 confluence just now. Where's the best place to learn Fibonacci? Here. I can confidently say that the best place to learn Fibonacci is either with me or my brother. and nobody trade like we do. The only people that trade like we do, you wanna know who? Do you guys wanna know who is the only people that trade the same way as me and my brother? Take a guess. Try to guess who, guys. Let's see if you guys can guess it. Make a video on YouTube about finance, about FIB. I will. Banks, institution, banks. Thank you, guys. Thank you, team. Yep. The only people that trade like me and my brother are the hedge funds, the banks, and the wells. That's it. Nancy Pelosi. Thanks, book trade. Yes. Can't help but worry. Super nice liquidity, very near our zone. That's very good. Nancy Pelosi. Oh wait, I think she does it another way, maybe. Pelosi had one of the best 2025 portfolio last year, but you know, insider. She's solid though. She's solid. I wonder how. Sorry, guys. All the time, running around. Wait on the woman in town. Talking about Bill, yo, bro. What do you mean? Hi, bro. What's good, Dylan? What time frame are you on? I'm on the M5. I'm on the M5, dude. Thomas, bro, thank you for the like, man. Miss, thank you for the like. All the time. Man, I'm out of the trade. I blow my account. Bro, why? Bro, guys, why would you take a trade over here? This is just a choppy, fishy consolidation. Guys, you should never take a trade on this type of wick. Team, you could have bought, you could have sold on this. You got SL. Dylan, bro. I gotta be careful. Not today, last week. Okay. I thought we were talking about this. But, it's fine, bro. You're gonna come back stronger, man. You're gonna come back stronger, bro. You got this. You got this. If you don't give up, you can never lose. That's the rule, guys. That's the rule in business. That's the rule with whatever you do. If you don't give up, you can never be beaten. Sorry, bro. Patience is the key. You shouldn't be in a journal. No, I mean, mistakes happen, guys. It's okay. I was not patient. It's fine. It's fun, guys. It's super normal. Super normal. The important thing is just to learn from it, you know? Maybe you're gonna make mistakes once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Maybe after 10 times you're gonna learn, but I learned from it. That's amazing. Will the price go up? Will the price go up? Price is in a fishy, choppy structure right now. I learned from my mistake. That's amazing. That's a goal. That's a goal, guys. Pops, bro, thank you for the like. Rina, thank you for the like. Game changer was yes, guys. Once you know how to use break even, game changer. You gotta use it wisely, though. You gotta use it wisely. But once you understand how to use it wisely, it's done. Hey, bro, how's it going, man? I'm doing amazing. What's the secret to stay handsome while trading? Good question, bro. Good question, man. secret to stay handsome while trading, I would say be profitable, man. Be profitable, bro. Is anyone in the chat actually profitable so far, or on a very recovery stage? I'm pretty sure there's some people that are in their way of being profitable. I'm pretty sure, and there's also some people that maybe just here already made money, maybe lost a little bit money as well, or maybe are profitable and just have a second opinion. Trading is a lonely business, so having a second opinion, especially if you're trading the same way as the guy or the girl that you are watching, then it's never bad. And I decided to stay up all night last night to trade New York, and it just went sideways online. But you should stick with a routine. The best way to really build consistency, to really build discipline, is to stick with a routine, okay? For example, you never trade New York, okay? And you decided to sleep, to stay all night. So you know that it's not something that you can do every day. So you guys, stick to your routine, stick to your plan, stick to your session, stick to your strategy, stick to everything, stick to you, all right? Stick to you. Make a strict trading plan, stick to it, guys, please. The biggest mistakes, all right, from beginners is that they change strategy, that they change session, that they change trading rules so many times that after a while, oh, this trading shit don't work. Oh, it's not for me. Oh, it's too difficult. No, you're making it so difficult for you that you are not putting the chance on your side. Trading is not an easy business, so if you are making it difficult for you, team, you gotta give you gotta give yourself a chance, So yeah, guys, then profit 1200 on the Asian session today. I was so far behind following other when I found it there. He is really helpful. That's amazing, Weasel. Love it, bro. That's amazing. Trading with emotion, yes, bro. Yes, no emotion, guys. Robot, but at least you know it. At least you know it. The first part is to own it, is to know it. Once you know it, once you know where the problem comes from, then you're gonna be able to change that. But what type of mic do you use? And for TikTok, it's just my phone. It's just my phone. For YouTube, it's an external mic, a Brio. Adele, you help a lot. Big love, guys. Adele! Did you buy? Where? Where would you buy? It is a good trader. You won't lose money. Thank you. Appreciate it, Nisa. Mais si je trade avec 1 pour 1000 levier puis 0 pour... Ah, comme je t'ai dit, bro, peu importe, tu pourrais trader avec 150 là ou 0.001. Je te dis, c'est pas wise. Parce que le leverage, tu veux le garder sur plusieurs mois, sur plusieurs années, bro. Tu veux build une consistance. No, we did not buy from 4410. What language is that, guys? That's French. So I'm from Canada, but my first language is French. I'm a French Canadian. So that was French. Do you think gold will drop massively? You still think? Gold already did drop massively. We were at 50 something. We were playing at 5,300. We came down to 4,000, guys. 10,000 pips drop. How low do you still want the gold to drop? Get the likes up. Thank you, Jad. I start following and hoping on each show with different creator at Blue Mac. After I met Adele, he gave me, bro, big love, bro. Real boss, good love, bro. I saw your message, bro. I saw your message, man. I'm gonna share it in a big group, bro. Because that's real. That's real. You said half Canada speak French. No. Not half of Canada speak French. There's a very, not small, because we are one of the biggest province, state, you could say, for the people that do not know what a province is, but not a lot of people in Canada speak French. So in Canada, we are about 40-50 million, which is not a lot. And there's about, I couldn't say exactly, but how much we're on Quebec for the people that are from Montreal. We're at what, 5 million? 5 million in Quebec. you know, in the province, maybe 10, 8 million, yeah. So we 8 million, and we are about 40, 50 million in Canada. So about the 1/5 of it, we 37 million in Canada. So yeah, we are about we're not. It's not half. It's not half. Most of Canada speak English, guys. But I'm from the French part. Montreal represent. Can you speak Spanish as well? Because I thought you were from Spain. I can speak Spanish un poquito. I live in I wouldn't say I live, but I spent some times in South America. I spent about 6 months in South America. I go to Spain a lot. So I had the base of Spanish that I lost, all right? But I'm not in, guys. No, not yet, team. Not yet, guys. We didn't even do the structure on our zone. But yeah, this year, like I said, guys, I'm gonna be fluent in Spanish and Arabic, completely fluent. I would love to visit Canada one day. Yeah, which part? Which part of Canada you would like to visit? Interesting structure that we have on silver. No idea which part. No, what I really want is the entry thing. Talk about that. The entry thing, the entry time, or the execution. The execution. Yeah, execution extremely important. Yeah, CFX stands for Confluence Fibonacci Execution. Super important. So if you have all of a confluence, if you have a very solid fib, but you do not master the execution, all right? What I mean by execution is entry, TP, getting out of the trade, reversal, this. Sadly, I mean, you ain't gonna be able to master CFX. So very important, bro. You said bank trade with the Fibonacci. I think you're the... No, I'm not the bank yet, guys. I'm not the bank yet. And I have a friend in the gambling industry in Montreal, a great place. It was nearly nice, bro, nice. The gambling industry, nice. And what he does, he have a casino. You're in Spain. No, I'm not in Spain, guys. I'm not in Spain. Like I said, guys, right now I'm in an undisclosed location because Saturday I'm flying to the location. I'm gonna stay for a couple of weeks, a couple of months. So I want to keep it, you know, I want to keep it a surprise. And if I tell you where I'm at right now, then you guys gonna guess based on what you know, all right? Because most of you start to know me well. Okay, so yeah. Saturday you're in France, I'm so sure. We had a couple of guests. You have a wedding. I do have a wedding, but my wedding is mid-April. Daily fantasy sports. Okay, so bet. Nice, bro. Nice. Yeah, are you from Canada? Are you from Canada as well? We got silver over here that is super interesting. Silver right now that is super interesting. That right now is giving us kind of a mixed feeling, playing with trying to get the stabilization in our structure. All right, so very interesting, I would say. Very interesting move coming from silver. This type of pattern, we see this a lot. The only thing I don't like is this type of pattern on the 50%. But coming from silver, it's a bit less important. But yeah. And also going to Switzerland to your friend, you promised him you will go to him a long time than France. Okay. So you think I'm gonna go to Switzerland than France? That's a good guess, bro. What is the giveaway, boss? Which giveaway, bro? The 50,000 giveaway tonight. Alina, thank you for the like, guys. Thank you for the like. Even if I don't give a 10K right now, thank you for the people that are liking. Miss, thank you for the like. But yeah, 50,000. I'm gonna give away 250,000 giveaway. 250,000 Sari account tonight, guys. Very interesting, yeah. Very interesting. 100 like coming soon. Ça frérot, tu back at yes. Yes, bro. Oh.
Keep this memory from fading. Keep the seasons from ever changing. Keep it close to my heart. Light up my diamond.
Guys, did we enter? Not yet, team. Not yet, guys. We are waiting for 4410 right now. We are waiting for 4410, team. Guys, you shouldn't enter right now, team. Again, this is a super choppy structure, right? This does not mean nothing, team. Okay, please, patience. All right, patience, guys. And best price or no price. It's a Thursday, okay? We're gonna have opportunity. I can tell you, okay? We're gonna have opportunity on this London session and we're gonna have opportunity on this New York session, okay? I can tell you for sure. So knowing that, are you gonna throw yourself into a trade? You respond to this question. You respond to this question between you and you know? Thanks to that, just get your message and request. Amazing, bro. Amazing. My support send you. Amazing, bro. A request to join. Okay, he sent you the link for the amazing, bro. That's perfect. Not definitely no wait for opportunity. That's the goal. This is how we move. Get some water, guys. I want you to breathe me. Let me be your room.
Let me rub your body free.
Let me be sure of you. How deep is your love? Like the ocean, like the ocean. Oh yeah. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? How deep is your love? Like the ocean, like the ocean. I mean, how deep is your love? This is why we are being patient, guys, alright? This is why we are being patient. This is why we wait for our zone, for the best possible zone, alright? For the best possible price, because we have a very solid zone under, okay? So whatever happened before, it is not our problem, okay? Price could do whatever, but we are waiting for our zone, that's it. 4410 is a very strong zone, yes. 4410 is a very strong zone. Super strong zone, guys. 4410 is a super strong zone, all right? And you can see that the price want to attract, that the price pulling the zone, sorry, pulling the PA, towards the zone. Whatever happened on the zone, we know that on the 38%, on 44.10, we're gonna have something happening, okay? So knowing that the zone is pulling this price so deeply, so fast, so aggressively, are we gonna take a buy or are we gonna take a sell or are we gonna put our capital at risk? No, we're gonna wait. We're gonna take a step back off. We're gonna take a deep breath and wait for our zone, guys. That's the goal. We gotta be comfortable with doing nothing, team. From 44.10 market, maybe from 44.10 market we smash to the upside, then smash to the downside. Maybe from 44.10 we're gonna have a fake out, then we're gonna break it. Maybe from 44.10 we're gonna do a perfect structure, and from this level we're gonna go to 5,000. Okay, depending what we do on this level. You always thank yourself for being patient. Let's do some breathing exercise. You guys are pretty calm right now. The breathing exercise is when we are in our buy and half of the chat spamming buy, alright? But right now I can sense you guys are pretty calm right now. What time frame are you on? I'm on the M5 right now. I'm on the M5. Not gonna lie, that's amazing. 39.23 incoming, oil price, rising war, fundamentals, maybe as well. Yeah? Maybe as well. Big push from our price, super manipulated. Wow. Super manipulated. Love you, no homo. Like, you good, bro. No, God, I'm so tired because I only slept 2.5 hours before work to catch buy and sell in Asia. Damn, bro. Yes, it's important also to be careful when you're really tired like this. Doesn't the fundamentals push gold up? Depending of the negotiation we have this week, how it's going. But yes. Overall fundamentals, yes. Overall fundamentals are bullish for gold, yes. But we saw that since the pricing fundamentals right now mean, but last week, beginning of the week we priced in, end of the last week we priced in, pretty much nothing new happened. Alright, so yeah, had Amazon and stuck to them. That's amazing. That's amazing, bro. That's really good. Go to 7 kids. That would be crazy. Carol, YouTube, have a listen. You can see our music lover. I am, guys. I am. Alina! Mazaline, thank you for the like, guys. Thank you, Alina. Thank you, Mazaline. How that was good, bro? How you doing? Is it going dip below the bison a bit before going all the way up? A sweep would be insane, yeah. A sweep of our bison will be insane. If we are able to sweep towards our 05 level, making a structure between 08 and 012. Old school. What is old school, bro? How I'm trading? You mean the way I'm trading? Hi there, what do you think about supply and demand as a strat? So supply and demand, first of all, it's not a strat, guys. Second of all, and it's education, you know. Supply and demand is not a concept that work with day trading. Supply and demand is used on an investor kind of perspective, but supply and demand doesn't mean nothing on a day-to-day basis. And of course, we gotta look on it on a day-to-day basis. Why? Because we are day trader. You know, we opening and closing position in a day. So yeah, supply and demand is not it doesn't mean anything on a day-to-day basis. Can you mention your YouTube? Yes, it's AdelCFX. 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 Choppy price right now, doing a whole lot of nothing. Sorry, doing a whole lot of nothing right now. Does the 15-minute candle open work? If it sweep the high, we sell. No, we're looking at the 15 minutes close. But if we sweep the high, it's not because it's not because it's not because the 15-minute candle sweep the high that we sell. No, if the 15-minute candle sweep the high, it's the opposite. We're not buying, no, but we have the indication that price do not want to go lower. At least depending of this 15-minute candle, all right? Depending if the sweep is about, if we close above the wick, if we close under the wick, if it's the body of the candle that close above, it's if the wick of the candle that close above. It really depends, guys. As you know, wick, or maybe you do not know, wick are manipulation. Wick are the indicator, all right? So yes, F16, stand up. Let's go, Jad. Tell us when to price our buy. Okay, yes, I get you, bro. I get you, trade lesser. You won't know when I will try the trade. Do you set your buy and sell fib on the same candle? Do you set your buy and sell fib on the same? Do you set your buy and sell fib on the same candle? The question doesn't work, bro. The question doesn't make sense. I do not understand. On the same candle? That doesn't make sense, bro. What do you mean by on the same candle? And also, what do you think? How many dollars will open on our next trade for a $150 account? Open point 10. Open point 10. Like, do you use same highs and low for sell and buy? Okay, this is what you meant, sorry. No. So, buy fib, lowest impulse to the highest impulse, right? And it's impossible to use the same one. Sell fib, highest impulse to the lowest impulse, okay? And you're gonna see maybe the highest and the low, and the highest and the lowest for the sell will be the same sometimes, but both, it's impossible. It's impossible that both fib have both same highest and lowest impulse. Can you zoom out for 3 seconds, please? Yeah, I can zoom out for 10 seconds if you want. Why do you want to see it? my bifib. For the people that do not know how I place my bifib, I'm putting it on the H1 again. Please take a screenshot, guys. This bifib is super important, all right? Super important, okay? I'm giving you a couple of seconds, guys. Lowest impulse over here, highest impulse over here. Lowest impulse is at 4102. Highest impulse is at 4602. Screenshot, and we're back. Thanks very much, of course. How can I win 250K account for trading? No, two separate $50,000 account. It's gonna be tonight, bro. I'm gonna set the condition in the big group, guys. Make sure to come in the free tele, guys. It's completely free. Everything is happening on there, all right, guys. Really, everything. Oh, look at how gold is pushing, guys. Look at how gold is pushing. Could potentially go to our sell zone before going to our buy zone, which is not bad. Two $50,000 account. So $50,000 to account. Honestly, people should sell now. No, people shouldn't sell now. People should do nothing right now. People should look at the price. We should look at the price, and this is what we're looking. This is what we're doing. You should not do nothing right now, guys. Sell a set limit. What was the comment? Set a sell limit right? No sell limit. No limit, guys. Never. No limit, please. No limit, guys. We are not able to get past this 38 level on the smaller fib, which is a good sign, but considering I want to buy, how can I join? Guys, so very, very simple, all right? Super simple, team. Link in the bio, all right? Link in the bio, guys. You're going to click link in the bio, all right? Link in the bio. Then after, you just got to follow the step, okay? You click on the three little dot, and then you open with the browser, all right? Three little dot, and then you open with the browser. As you can see, you're going to come straight away in the tele, and I will accept every one of you, guys. Every one of you will get accepted, team. T'as quel âge, bro? J'ai 23, moi. Ma fête, c'était hier, actually. Je viens juste de tourner 23. C'est bizarre, man. C'est bizarre de dire j'ai 23 ans. Je suis en tabarnak. On dirait 22, t'es encore un petit cul, mais 23, bro, t'es un daron. Follow you just now, the tele things. Thanks to you, bro. Thanks to you, man. You know what? I'm gonna put another zone on the 22%. I'm gonna put another zone on the 22%. Because Price having trouble. Price having trouble pushing significantly without. We'll see. Maybe it got broken. Maybe no. But it doesn't matter. At least. Because imagine we are able, guys. It could be nice, could be very nice if we are able to catch a quick sell on the 22%, reversal zone on our 44.10, take the buy on our 44.10. So we're talking about the 300 pips trade. We're talking about we're talking about a 300 pips trade from our sell zone to our buy zone. Then after, if you are able to get our trade over here, come back to our 44.83, that could be very nice. Too many people offering account management loan, they can't even prove it. You should never give your account to nobody. Please do not give your account to nobody. Do you know the amount of people texting me every day? Adele, I gave my account to somebody and he stole my money, or he blew the account. Guys, why? Let's take me for example. Why would I trade with your money, which is $500, $1,000, even if you give me $500,000? Why would I trade with your money and take 50%, even take 90%, when I can just trade with my money, my live account? And you know, it doesn't make sense, guys. It doesn't make sense, all right? It does not make sense, all right? So please, guys, please do not fall into this account management type of things, okay? Lesser risk. Yeah, exactly, lesser risk. So basically, what? I'm gonna play with your money. I'm gonna be a piece of shit. I'm gonna play with your money. That's what people do. That's what people do, guys. So please, 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 I'm begging you, do not give your account to no one. All right. Especially if there's something, if you think I'm asking you, no, guys, all right? There's around 1,000 fake profile of me. I will never ask you for money. I will never text you first. I will never follow you first. I will never ask you to manage your account, okay? Never, 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 never. Some people share accounts so they can make a 50-50 profit share account. So why would you share your account? Why would I take your account and make 50-50 when I can trade with my live account? That you like, yeah. Rejection on our 22%, nice. Rejection on our 22%. Adele will only give free account, not ask you. Yeah, doing the opposite, you know. I give you account. I do not ask you for your account. This push when they don't have. Anissa, when they don't have a live account. So you're gonna give your account to a trader that don't have a live account? Come on. Beppy! How you doing, Beppy? I'm doing amazing, thank you. What about you? How you doing? Yeah, exactly, Anissa, you know. Imagine, it's crazy, you know. If you're a trader and you don't have a live account, I mean a trader that picture himself as a profitable trader or this and this, you know, and you don't have a live account. I mean, I'm good, thanks, amazing. Sell now, we're waiting for confirmation. No, we're waiting for confirmation. Do not sell, we wait for confirmation, guys. Lalissa M. Okay, that's another, I thought it was English. Like I said, guys, I put the fib, I put the zone on the 22%. It's not the stronger zone. It's not the worst zone. I still put it because we could take it. We could take it, yes. I always say if anyone gonna fill up the account, I will do it. Exactly. At least you do it. At least you understand at least you learn from your mistake. You recommend prop account, Adele, which one is good? I cannot really talk about it, but bro, I have a direct affiliation with a solid funded account that I will pass you funded for you. That will also give you access to the private group, which after that you can get your first payout with the trade in the private group, bro. So just give me a text, all right? AdelCFX support, guys. I will open. It's been a week. I know that you maybe guys do not see the AdelCFX support clause in the big group. Why? Because I did not open no private group places for over a week, all right, guys? So tonight I will open 10 spots, team. I will open 10 spots in the last week. I don't know how many texts I receive again, but over 500 easy, team. Over 500 easy. Didi, must we sell? It's in the zone. We looking for sell. We are looking for sell, guys. We cannot sell right now. The candle didn't even close. It's closing in 1 second. Nice close, very nice close, super nice close. One of the best close we could have. Is it because it is one of the best close we could have that we're gonna take this gambling trade? No, we're gonna be patient. We're gonna wait for stabilization of our price. We're gonna wait for sweep. We're gonna wait for SL hunt maybe. We're gonna wait for structure. We're gonna wait for a bearish momentum. All right, very, very, very important, guys. We gotta wait for the XY to reverse as well. That's good. He's playing right over the SMA. Could potentially use it as a reversal zone. That's good. The yield as well. Are still playing on the trend. And what we have, silver trying to go up. But the 50, again, it's also good. So we could take it, guys. We could take it, but we wait. We take the best price possible. We go with the execution, all right? So CFX conference, we're looking for conference. Fibonacci. We are on the Fibonacci on a strong field execution team. I didn't analyze the market for 4 or 5 days. Very hard, but sometimes I need to read. That's good, Befi. That's really good. If you know that you are not ready, and if you know that you gotta take a small step back, then do it. Yo, long time. How you doing, man? How you doing, bro? Long time. Yeah, where you been? Where you been? So no, we are looking for sell, Mustafa. It's been a couple of times that you asked this question. Now, another couple of times. We are looking for a sell, bro. All right? We are looking for a sell. Is it because the price is on our sell zone that we're gonna sell? No, we are looking for our price. This is why it's a sell zone, all right? And not a S limit. I stopped trading, bro. I took a long break, but now back. That's amazing, bro. That's amazing. Welcome back, bro. Welcome back, man. Happy to have you with us. Silver is still pushing up. DXY got trouble though, actually breaking the small structure that we have over here. And the yield are still pushing back on the trend. Is it a solid trend line? Far from solid. We are far from solid, but still. But C-Trader is very, very good. Thanks, Adel. Very amazing. That's amazing, Befi. You see, even if you didn't trade, you still develop your ability to trade with C-Trader. But yeah, C-Trader, once you you spend a couple of hours on the platform, if you're starting, once you watch a couple of YouTube video, you're gonna see that C-Trader is way better than MT5. Way better. Is it a buy or sell? We're looking for a sell, bro. MT5 is very limited. Yes, very, very limited. Yeah, I was just using this map for future position. Very nice, nice. Oof. Trying to go get, it was a clear buy, right? It was a clear buy? Of course not. What clear buy? This clear buy? This choppy, fishy structure? Oh, no Fibonacci? Of course not, bro. Time frame M5. I have a 90, bro, again with the 99% sure strat, bro. He came back with a same speech, bro. I told you change the speech, otherwise people will not get that. Your Fibo is wrong. Enlighten me, bro. Enlighten me. Tell me how should I place my Fibonacci, bro. I guess that you are a way better, way more experienced trader than me. Trading, bro. Aiming towards our 44-57 level, guys. Aiming towards our 54-57 level, which is very nice. Which is very, very, very nice. We did not break officially our 22%. And we are closing in. Wow. Are we gonna close red? Close green, green close. But came very close from closing red. Came very, very close from closing red. Should we sell now? No. No, we cannot sell now. Anna, no sell right now, no. Very close, yeah, very close from a trade from closing red, guys. Make sure to join the tele team. Make sure to join the tele. It's completely free if you do not want to miss our trade over here. Why do you think? I think it could be a nice reversal level. This is what I think. I think it could be a nice reversal level. I think it's a level that is worth trying if we do have a couple of more confluence. Because right now it's not worth trying. It's way too early. It's way too early in our structure. You shouldn't try it right now. Going to 30%, maybe this is why we are patient on it, guys. Playing on 44.40, 44.38, I would say. Sweep was made what on 49? Oh, massive sweep. That's a problem. That's gonna be a problem. Has FVG, that's good to know. So where are you in the UK, guys? I didn't reveal it yet because I didn't reach my final destination. And if I tell you where I am right now, guys, you guys will know where I'm gonna spend the next couple of weeks and months, and I want it to be a surprise. So yeah, maybe in the UK. 44.57, 100%. You cannot say 100%, but yeah, momentum is aiming towards 44.57. In Kazakhstan, close in 2 minutes. 15 minutes is super bullish. India, Germany. So we're still about to break the last higher high. Yield are not able to break the trend. I like it though. And DXY trying to push lower. Mauritius. If candle close below 44.40, you can say, I assume no. No, you shouldn't assume that, no. Prediction private move 2, you work alone. What do you mean by work alone? But if it closes below 44.40, that's a reversal. Are you in? Not yet. No. I'm looking for a sell, but we're patient on this sell. There's no rush. Absolutely no rush. But if closed below, no, it's not because it closed below 44.50 that there's a reversal, especially in this type of market. You know what? It could even close below 44.35 and it's not a sure reversal. Very nice bullish structure on the XY though. Very, very nice bullish structure on the XY on the M15 and the M5. What about account management? You should never do account management. You should never give your account to nobody. Closing in 20 seconds. The XY respecting the moving average, and same for the yield are respecting the trend, which is solid. If you manage your capital just you diversify with other people, no. I do not manage other people's capital. For me to manage another person's capital, somebody would need to give me $100 million. For me to manage somebody's capital, somebody would need to give me $100 million. Under that, nope. Account management is handing over your bank account to someone love. Yep, same. Exactly the same thing. And say you can do whatever on my account. Bro, is account management really? Should I buy physical? No, it's not real. Would you take 50 million? No. No. I would refuse 50 million. I would not even hesitate. Should I buy physical gold? There's no point of buying physical gold. If you think the end of the world is coming, yeah, but no. Hi there, I can't find the yield graph on TradingView. Hi, how you doing, Jude? Please show me the name of, yes, of course. So the yield, Jude, is US government bond, all right? The yield is US 10, all right? US 10, okay? US 10, and you're gonna be able to find it. Nice close. Silver still did a higher high. You gotta be patient, guys. It's not possible to enter nothing right now. It's not possible to enter nothing right now. Thanks, Adel, of course. I think it's going to hit 44.57. That could be nice. That could be nice. It's a very solid zone. $44.47 might be a clean sweep for a sell. 47, I mean, we already swept this level 48. We already did sweep this level at 48. I do not have high trust in this level. We need to wait for this close. And ideally, I would wait for the 15-minute close, to be honest. But definitely gotta wait for this close in 2 minutes. Guys, we could almost never enter in very specific case. Yes, we can enter before the close, but you should never enter before the close. Never, guys. Never. Never, 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 team. How can you validate the account in 2 days if Xfunded stays a minimum 4 days in advance? Because I have a direct affiliation with Xfunded. Is basically my my prop, so I can do whatever. This is why. You cannot validate your account in less than 4 days if you pass it by yourself. But I can even pass an account in 1 hour. You know, I can even pass an account in 5 minutes. So yeah. Can you play my suggestion? I do not take strong recommendation on London, end of New York. Nice rejection from our zone. That's good. Super nice rejection from our zone. That's crazy. Not really crazy. Of course, I'm gonna have more freedom as an affiliate for my member. How much do you charge for that service? It depends on the account. If you take a 10K account, it's not gonna be the same passing fee as if you take a 300K account, you know? But very nice promotion coming from for the 1st of April. All right, I'm gonna do a little giveaway. Talking about the prop firm, you know, I'm gonna do a little giveaway. Let's say 50K. I do not talk about the price, Anissa, on the live. TikTok hate that. TikTok hate that. But just give me a text. Give me a text on tele. Give me a text on the AdelCFX support. If you want to buy a funded and me to pass it for you, then give me a text. Gotcha. I'm on the moment for my last challenge for this is one more day being pro and reaching. That's good. Yeah, giveaway. Very nice rejection. Very nice rejection. We are winner right now. On April 1 for April Fools, yes. On April 1, I'm gonna do a little giveaway. Not a funded giveaway. So I'm gonna give something else. I'm gonna give something else. How long have you been training for? 4+ years.
If you don't like something, we go wrong.
Real money? I thought about giving real money, but it's not nice, you know? Just giving money like this, it's nice, but like, you know? I'm thinking about maybe like a new iPhone or something like that. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. A house? Come on, guys. We need a VIP giveaway. And then can only one account be validated per user, or can you validate? No. I can validate 100 accounts. I mean, it's gonna take me more than an hour. But no, I can validate many accounts. A user, I have one of my member in the private group that have 300K account, that have more than 1 million, that have more than 1.5 million in funded, you know. And you know, trip to China giveaway. Trip to meet you? It wouldn't be to meet me, yeah, but it would be more, you know, a 30-day to train with me or something like that. It's coming. Maybe something like this is coming. It's not gonna be for April 1st, but maybe something that I do not want to jinx where I'm going, but maybe something like this is coming eventually. Good vibe, appreciate it. That's great, man. I say that because I like to start with something affordable and gradually. That's amazing, because that's amazing. And you should always go step by step, you know. Always. I live in Dubai. Want to help me become profitable? Of course, bro. I'm helping a ton of people get profitable every day, bro. Going to buy almost 100K. Hey, team, we hit 100K despite no funded giveaway. All right. Big love, team. Big love, big love, guys. Alina, I'm gonna give you a funded account. I'm gonna give you a 10K, Alina. Give me a text, Alina. So there was no funded account today, guys. There was no funded giveaway. But you know, I just wanted to see what's up. I just wanted to see what's up, and I saw that Lena never stopped liking, and you know, she's always there and thing. And yeah, Lena, 10K account for you. Give me a text, Lena. How about me, Adele? I give it to Lena, guys. I do it support for you. Big love, Lena. Appreciate it. Give me a text. 10,000 account. Don't make me cry. Well, yeah, I'm telling you. Give me a text on tele, Lena. Give me a text on tele. Congratulations. Very proud of you. Very happy for you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the continuous support, guys. Big love, team. You know, even if there was no funded giveaway, 10K for the 100K like. Big love, guys. Appreciate it, team. Thank you all. I'm beyond grateful. I'm beyond grateful for you guys. I'm being grateful for you. I mean, if without you, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be, I would be trading, but I would be still alive. But we would have no community, team. Where's the mouth? But yeah, Lena, give me a text on tele. Don't forget, all right? Because I'm gonna forget, all right? Do not forget, please give me a text on tele, all right? I'm super happy for you. So you will be able to trade with $10,000 of capital. So happy for Lena. That's the best. Appreciate it, Beffy. Thank you. But big love, Lena. Was there a giveaway? Absolutely no giveaway, bro. Absolutely on my support, Lena. On my support. So if you are not in the tele, all right. If you are not on the big tele, join the tele. How to join the tele, guys? Link in the bio, team. All right. Link in the bio. Then you just gotta follow the step. It's super easy, team. Click on the three dot, open with the browser, and once you are in the tele, then you just gotta text AdelCFX support. All right, just try to find AdelCFX support. It's been a week that I did not open no spot for the private group, guys. All right, AdelCFX support over here, and give me a text. Yes, I am message support before. Okay, amazing, Lena, amazing. Then just say it's Lena, and I'll respond to you right after the live. Well, the rule that's strict and get it easily breached. Rule are very not strict. Rule is put a stop loss, don't trade the news, don't risk more than 1%. Rules are literally super chill. Yeah, but still waiting, brother. Ricardo, it's tonight, bro. It's tonight, bro. That giveaway, that 10K giveaway was just completely random. I just saw that Lena, even despite no giveaway, never stop liking, big love, support. So yeah, okay, thank you, of course. My risk always 0.3%, very low, very good, super Beffy. That's very good. Personally, I never risk more than 0.75, 0.8. So very nice. Aiming directly into our 4410, guys. Give me a second, team. Lena, thank you for the like. Miss, thank you for the like. Taurus, thank you for the like, bro. I can't wait for their first YouTube video. I have a feeling I know what it might be. What? I'm curious. What you think it might be. Guys, very nice reaction. Okay, very nice reaction. I love it right now. Could aim for this 4410 or retest for this 4440. Both way, we are winning. How are you, Deborah? I'm doing amazing. You guys are crazy. Are you in Dubai? No, Deborah, I'm not in Dubai yet. I'm in a middle destination, all right? Because I couldn't do my final destination without stop. I had to stop somewhere. And yeah, no, I'm not in Dubai. 4410 set a buy. No, you should not set a buy limit. Miss the buy. Which buy? Adele, Goker is offering mentorship on your live now. Goker? I did not saw the comment. Okay, let's ciao! 200 pips, one. Yeah, bro, just let me know where is the buy. Where did you took a buy? Where? I mean, if you took a buy, you 100% get stop loss, bro. Or your stop loss was super far away. Buy or sell and when we are in the size zone or buy zone. So Cook today I'm gonna teach you. He's trying to find his team here. With CFX team! Potential stop loss 45. Potential stop loss if we took this trade is gonna be 48. It's gonna be 48. So that's why we gotta find an entry between 42, 43, 44, between 40 and 48. Yeah. I saw that 44.23. Do I close or loss? Bro, close. Please, you should, bro. You're in drawdown of 150 pips right now, bro. Please close. SL Fit 44.57. Too high. Just show my appreciation. I will get to 200 Bs. Nina, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. They already show way more than that. What is wrong with gold? Marino! How you doing, man? Marino! How you doing, bro? SL 44.57. No, guys. We are not putting our SL 200 pips away. Are you in? I'm not in. No. I'm not in. We're potentially looking to enter a trade, but I'm not in yet. Tell us before you enter your trade, of course. Aiming to this 44.57, very nice. Very nice. Maybe a clean sweep, maybe a second sweep of our level. Or maybe just a break of our level. I see more of a break than a sweep, but we gotta stay open. Adele! Amal! Somebody said, where's Amal? Like 5 minutes ago. How are you doing, Amal? Can I enter the trade now? Wait, no, you should wait. You can enter if you want, but it's not, I wouldn't recommend entering a trade right now. Bro, sell. We're looking for sell. Potential sell incoming, yep. Potential sell incoming. Yep. Bishan Singh, wow, super precise. A super precise guess from Jake. Bishan, Singapore. Tricks, no, not yet. Brother, I think 44.82 should be our massive sell. It could be a very nice sell, yeah. Could be a very nice sell. What will be confirmation? Right now, you want to know the big confirmation I'm waiting for is the close of this 15 minute. But is the trade is gonna leave us before the close of the 15 minute? If it work, maybe. But close of this 15, close of this hour, would be the right time to enter, would be the perfect time to enter actually. Especially this hourly close happened, a lot of things happen on here. Should we sell? We're looking for sell right now. We can't forget that this 22% is a super aggressive level. We can't forget that this 22% is a super aggressive level. Ness, thank you for the heart. Around what point are you entering in the 5 minutes? What point? What do you mean? By what point? Beffy, thank you for the, what is it? It's a bravo. Thank you, Beffy. Appreciate it. Thank you for this cargo. At price level. Thank you, Beffy. Appreciate it. At price level between 40 and 44. Looking to enter between 40 and 44. Amal, Lina! Thank you guys, appreciate it. Which pair? XUSD. Thank you for the cowboy, thank you for the épanouir. What time frame is your fib M5? Oh, my fib, my buy fib is on the H1, sell fib is on the M5, M15. Beffy, thank you for the special mention, thank you for the ice cream. Nice. Very nice.
Won't wait until way past midnight just to catch me up when I come home. You stay up to wait for my headlights shine across the window so you know. I should tone it down while I can.
Guys, I'm a bit more quiet right now because I'm just focused. I already close in 2 minutes and a half. If we gotta enter, or if we gotta let this trade behind, it's gonna be now. We either gonna witness a push towards our sell zone over here, 44.57, or a third rejection that come from our sell zone over here. Right now, it looks like we want to push. Silver is pushing, just did a higher high. Beffy, thank you for the TikTok. Guys, thank you for the gift, team. Thank you, Lena. Thank you, Beffy. Big love. I think it will go to 40.75. Wow. I already close in a minute and 50 seconds, guys. Badel, thanks for a good live. See you, Biffy. See you tonight, maybe. You trail gold, right? Yes, I do. XUSD. I'm still here, bro. Let's go, man. Amazing. Minute and 20 seconds. Bullish momentum is still solid. Bullish momentum is still very solid coming from gold. I like this vibe, this song. Amazing, bro. Do you trade Bitcoin? No, I do not.
My feet can't touch the ground, it feels fine. I can see sands on the horizon every time. I'm not around, I'm slowly drifting away.
20 seconds, guys, 20 seconds. If we gotta enter or if we gotta let behind this trade, it's right now. If we gotta let behind this trade or enter, it's right now. This close is very important for us.
Pulling against the street, pulling against the wave. Wave after wave, wave after wave. Slowly drifting. And it feels like
Not the best close.
pulling against the street.
Not the best close, team. Bad close on silver as well. Very bad close on silver as well. One of the reasons why we always wait for the hourly close. Look at what is happening right now. One of the reasons why we always wait for the hourly close, guys. Super, super important. Especially at this time of the day. When price is super volatile. Very, very important. I think it will hit the second sell zone trust. Maybe, bro. Second sell zone, by the way, is stronger than this one. Second sell zone is way stronger than this one. I mean, this is a 22%. This is used for aggressive retracement. Nice. Come on, baby, push.
My face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see.
Nice. Amazing, guys. I love that. Just did a higher high. Super. Very nice. Because of fib level, yes, because of fib level, because of many conferences that we had. Very nice, guys. Super, super nice. Had to leave you live. That's fine, bro. Didn't miss nothing yet.
Slowly drifting. It feels like we're driving, pulling against the street, pulling against it.
Risky trade. Bro, enter sell already and I cooked. It's gambling, bro. I mean, entering a sell right now is it's 50-50, bro. Do we enter on 50-50? Of course not. So it's 50-50, bro. It's gambling. You just put your money on black. Hopefully it lands on black and not red. If the market breaks structure at 44.88, then it's a short buy. No. If the market breaks structure on 44.48, bro, it's not a sell. The opposite. If market breaks structure on 44.48, it is a massive sweep, and then we're gonna come and it's gonna be a dump, or we're gonna go to 44.57. Structure is pretty good. Structure is valid. Structure is valid. I'm not looking at the structure anymore, but yes, guys, structure is valid, by the way. Sell structure is valid at the moment. Is it because sell structure is valid that we take it? No. On those type of market conditions, you gotta be super patient. Super patient. You gotta evaluate every condition to see if the trade is really worth taking or no. Because we got a very nice zone upstairs. Best price or no price. You have so much patience. Thank you, bro. You need patience to trade. It's going to go up and down. Market is still bearish, right? How much you invest in silver? I got a good money invest in silver. What minute time frame you trade the most? M5. We enter on the M5. We do our analysis on the H4, H1, and M30. You should have patience, guys. Patience. Without patience, you're not. Look, maybe I'm harsh with you, but without patience, you're not gonna make a penny. You're not gonna be profitable. Without patience, you are not gonna be profitable. Patience is the enemy of a trader. We from Canada. I'm focused right now, guys. That's why I'm not responding to every comment. I'm looking for an entry and I'm trying to measure. It's not worth it. This trade is not worth it. No. Not worth it. Bad close on silver. Very bad close on silver. Bad close on silver. We're playing way too high. I learned more from him the last 12 months from books and YouTube. Big love. This is the best compliment somebody can give me. Best compliment that I could receive from you, team. She's homeless. She's homeless. Super manipulation. Oh. And this is our. Wow. This type of manipulation at this time of the day is super surprising. What about the buy now? Up to 44.57. Adele has the laser. Okay, well, Bison is still valid. This Bison, of course. Bison is still valid, of course. On which pair did you draw? It's not a pair. It's the yield, the US yield, the bond. I do not check another pair, guys. I check DXY, silver, and the yield. That's it. Waterfall, come on. How many of you entered this trade already? How many of you entered this trade already? I'm curious. Be honest, guys. Me, we're going to sell. DJ, how you doing, man? Not me, I still hold. Amazing. Me, not me. Okay, guys. No, are you proud of me? No, yes, I'm proud of you. If you didn't enter, I'm proud of you. If you did enter, I wish that, you know, I wish you the best, of course, and hopefully the trade will work for you. But there's a reason why I did not enter, guys. There's a reason why I do not enter right now, okay? It's not looking good. It's not looking good for the people that entered, guys. There's always a reason why I do not enter trade. And it's not looking particularly good. I don't have SL only, bro. This is the worst. Please put the SL. That's follow point. That's how we make profit. Big love. I took a sell because of the wick been found to break above. Yes, but the bullish momentum is so strong on gold right now. Bullish momentum is so strong on gold. We're having so much trouble just breaking this 41 level. DXY is super manipulated and is dropping right now. Silver closed above the higher high and still making higher highs. So honestly, Excited, I'm answering your plays, bro. Hello? Yeah, sorry, bro. I had my other graphic on the I got you, bro. I got you. My God, hi, Amy! Hi, how are you doing? Where you been, Amy? Adele! Any entries? Not right now. What's up, bro? What's good? What's good, bro? What are you doing, man? Let's have a call soon. I'm down. Yes, 100%. It's going to 44.30 and then 44.57. Which strategy is the best for you? It's not which strategy is the best for you. It's just what strategy is the best. CFX. Confluence Fibonacci execution, guys. Bad risk versus reward right now. Nothing clean at the moment. Choppy price. Super choppy price. I did not officially put an X on this trade, but from what I'm seeing right now, I will most likely not enter. We could potentially have a change of situation in the next couple of seconds/minutes. Like maybe right now. Wow. I like that we're getting a stabilization on 41 now. I like that we're getting a stabilization on 41 and 42 low. Are we going back to 43, 44? That will be a good indication. I do not want to see the price going back to 43 if... Okay, 43. Okay, get back. Nice rejection from the 43 low. Nice rejection from the 42 low, for the 43 low. I want to see the price playing on 41 high, 42. If we're still playing on 43 high, 44 low, it's not good. DXY have trouble giving us a good... It's very difficult right now to get a good clear go on DXY and silver. We can only base ourselves on gold right now, what we say. Otherwise, it's super confusing, especially for beginner. If you're looking at the charts, right now I'm thinking out loud, guys. Yeah, still playing 43 low, still playing at 42 high, 43 low. I like the reaction we had for a couple of seconds, playing on 41 high, 42 low. Momentum, I think, is just too strong. Even if we have a drop, it's going to be sudden drop very, very quick. Price action is fishy right now. It's respecting the EMA 50 yet, but the EMA 50 is not valid. It's not a valid EMA. I start to look at the moving average starting from 100. Under 100 is not worth looking. Looking under 100 is for scalpers. It's for people that enter on the M1. And as we know, scalpers and entering on the M1 is not valid. I did not say it, Bang did. I don't think there's going to be much action before news now. That's true. Also could happen. We have the unemployment claims. We have the unemployment claims, guys. DXY is pushing super strongly right now. DXY is pushing. Wow, what a manipulation. What a manipulation right now, guys. Wow. Okay, what a decent entry. With a decent entry, it's worth trying, guys. With a decent entry, if you're able to catch this 43, 44, it's a decent entry. It's valid structure. A bit risky, but valid right now. A bit risky, but valid right now. Yeah. Nice close. Could be a sudden drop, guys. Could be a sudden drop. High manipulation right now, though, guys. High manipulation right now. Very, very high manipulation at the moment. So if you are not able to control your risk versus reward, you're gonna get smashed. Like I expect, yeah, exactly. I expected a faster drop on gold. Same. What's your TP? One of the TP is 4410. One of the TP is 4410, 200 pips away. One of the TP is 4410, guys, 300 pips away. The reaction on silver right now is amazing. The reaction on DXY also is amazing. We just need to see some type of reaction on the yield right now. But I really like the push that we saw on DXY, and I really like the push that we saw on silver, guys. Where's SCA? I'm 48. On 48, bro. 48. We should have plus. Yeah, come on, baby, push. Yes, nice. 39. First time we touched 39. Let's see. Price goes very, very fast right now. Like I said, high manipulation into our market, guys. Very, very high manipulation into the market right now. TP, one of the TP 4410, guys. One of our TP 4410. One of our TP 4410, guys. Structure is super valid. Structure is super valid right now. We're not able to go. You want to push lower. You want to push lower at the moment. That's nice. It's looking good on an M15 as well, guys. Could be a textbook trade. Could be on a textbook trade, guys. This 22% can give us potentially our 300 pips if the manipulation slow down. If the manipulation slow down. Silver still dropping. DXY coming back up. That's good, guys. Try to catch an entry that masks your risk. Try to catch an entry that match your risk, guys. Yes, we're looking for sell. Yes.
You're my first one.
DXY is still pushing up. Silver having trouble. Guys! I have a couple of cha-chow today, no? A cha-chow! Bro, what's the SL? 48, bro. 48. If you enter, depending where. But SL 48. Dixwa is still pushing.
In my first one.
Dixwa is still pushing to the upside right now. 44.57 valid. Yes, it's valid. 44.57, of course it's valid. Super nice close on Dixwa. Super nice close on Dixwa. Pushing high right now though. Pushing high right now. Let me update the VIP guys, give me a second. Gotta wait for the 38 right now, guys. Gotta wait for the 38% team. 44.57. Nice first rejection. Oh, Dixwa is pushing crazy right now, team. Got rock here. Oh, come, bro. The shadow ban is disappeared, so new people are coming to collect the cha-chow! How are you doing today? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm still shadow banned though. I'm still shadow banned. I still have the notification. I still have the notification though. Dixwa flying gold. Yeah, I know, bro. Dixwa flying gold is flying. Manipulation is crazy, team. Wait, I'm gonna open back the graphic on this screen. What is shadow ban? Shadow ban is I have my visibility restricted. So basically, man, I made $700 today midday. That's amazing, guys. Look at Dixwa. Oh, look at this manipulation, team. Oh, crazy. Stop loss, bro. There is no stop loss right now. You should not enter this trade, bro. Oh, guys, look at this. Dylan SL hit. Can you help me? What you want, bro? 100k USD. Guys, look at Dixwa pushing, team. Look at Dixwa pushing. It's impressive. Silver is not even moving. Silver is not even moving right now. But yeah, guys, shadow ban is when you have the visibility restricted. So basically, as soon as I open my live, there's like a text that say like, you know, your visibility is restricted. We're not gonna show your live to other user. But yeah, slowly going maybe. Manipulation is insane. Manipulation is insane, guys. Look at Dixwa. I'm on the M5 by the way right now. I'm not on the M15. I'm on the M5, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Can we see at 57? We're looking for at 57, guys. Oh no, why do I need to have a word about that? Which pair is this? XRUSD, guys. XRUSD team. XRUSD, guys. What is the TP for 57? Guys, I cannot say the TP and the SL yet. We did not even reach our zone, team. We did not even touch our zone. I mean, we touched it, but we did not even make a structure on it. Not right now, guys. No, not right now, team. We cannot sell right now. Of course not. Massive sweep, guys. We broke the structure. Super manipulation on DXY. DXY that go up. Gold that go up as well. The yield that we're respecting the trend line at the centimeter close, and silver that is dropping, guys. Oh, wild manipulation. Wild manipulation. But when, guys, when you are able to respect the risk, look at this. Wow, super manipulated right now. 100 pips candle, 100 pips candle, wild. Oof. Oh, super wild. DXY is still pushing, guys. You scalp. I do not scalp. We do not scalp, guys. You do not scalp, and you shouldn't scalp either, team. Looks good on, yes, it looks good on the H1, but the H1 is just open. That's the thing. But yeah, Ashton, it looked good. Oh, guys, DXY, wow. DXY is wild right now. DXY is wild right now. It's going crazy. Let me just update the VIP, guys. 1 second, team. Saying that we could look for an entry right now if we keep the same momentum. And if the manipulation start to slow down a little bit. When silver goes up, the gold also follow. It should follow. And when it does not follow, Trump is yes, he is. And when it does not follow, then because the manipulation is super high. Guys, DXY is pushing crazy at the moment. It's wild. It's why the whole it's pushing. And volatility is super high again. Money Thursday! Are in position? I'm not in position right now. No, guys, I am not in position right now. Looking to enter. Should we sell? Not right now. Looking for sell. I sold 44.57. She sold at 44.50. That's wild, bro. Yes, we have the unemployment claims today, guys. We have the unemployment claims today, team. Look at the XY team. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh, wow. And what is USL? That's the thing right now. Normal USL, you should put it on 54. But 54 is way too far. Even 50 pips, I don't really like this SL. But quick question, which time frame are you using? Right now, M5. We are using the M5, guys. Charge freeze? Yes, it freezes. Yes, it did. If it break 4410, zone will go down. If it break 4410, yes, of course it will go crazy down. If we break 4410, it will go crazy down. Yes. Could potentially enter on this candle, guys. Could potentially enter on this candle, depending where are we able to close. It really depends where are we able to close, though. If we're closing too low or too high, in both scenarios, I do not like it, you know. So we really get a specific close. We really gotta have a specific close for me to enter. Otherwise, manipulation is too high. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. You gotta protect our capital, guys. As of right now, the XY is pushing way too strongly. We have a gold that is pushing as well. We have the yield that are pushing as well. And we have silver that is pushing as well. So the manipulation right now, what I'm waiting for, I'm waiting for a drop of this manipulation. I'm waiting for a clear clue to actually at least give us something, you know, because right now, I mean, entering on this type of doesn't work. It's not possible. Look at this. You want to see? Look at this, guys. Look at DXY climbing that up. Look at gold right now climbing that up. Doesn't interest me. Doesn't interest me. Stuck in between our zone where it's hitting 4483 1,000%. Guys, you can never be so sure, right, of nothing. Guys, for the new people over here, make sure to join the tele team. Completely free, guys. Completely free. Alright, link in the bio, guys. Completely free. Link in the bio. Alright, after that, you just gotta follow the step, guys. Alright, after that, you just gotta follow the step. Everything is happening on the tele, guys. I just want you to know that. Everything is happening on the tele. Click on the three little dot and open with the browser. You will be in the big tele, guys. And I accept every one of you right before the next trade team. Buy or not? No, of course no buy. Of course no buy. YouTube to AdelCFX, give him a follow. Thank you, Lina. I appreciate it. And guys, during this session, again, you guys are hungry. Only during this session, okay? In total, I have more than 500 texts, but only in this session, I received around 80 people asking how can they integrate the private group, guys. The private group cannot integrate it just like this, all right? Like I said, I know it's been a week that I did not open no spot, but tonight I will open 10 spot, guys. But right now, I'm not accepting everyone. I'm not accepting no one, sorry, in the private group, guys. Not right now. Oh, still pushing super strongly. I don't understand. I mean, I understand, but it's super weird. Having a dig swai that is pushing like this, the yield as well. We're having silver that are kind of doing anything but normal. And we have a gold that is not able to go below. I mean... This candle got a reverse. On the M15, this candle will get a reverse. What news? We got unemployment claims. We got unemployment claims. Dig Swai, guys, look at Dig Swai. Look at Dig Swai team. Why I'm so anxious? I don't know, bro. Why? Why you feel anxious, Brad? Been losing, bro. Yeah, it's understandable. But if you feel anxious, bro, you should not be in front of the market trying to take a position. That's my advice. This is my advice. 6, wow. 7 almost? Lena, the stream here is lagging, but I like that we can see your screen here better. Yeah, really? People on YouTube, is the stream lagging? Like the cam? Is the cam lagging? It's fine now? Okay. I want that some time ago. Okay. Okay, thank you, Lina. But yeah, the screen, of course, you can see it better. Super bad close. Super bad close for the people that entered over here. Super bad close. Gold going crazy, Dixie going crazy as well. All right, guys. Super slow session, except the tele. Yes, guys, I got you, team. I accept every one of you in the tele. How is that possible? Such manipulation, bro. Many factor. Many factor. First of all, we're not on New York session. Second of all, the fundamentals are super mixed feeling. Third of all, right now with the announcement of the Fed that said they could potentially not change the rate for the whole year, really impacting the price action at the moment. Really big impact on the price action at the moment. So a couple of factors, bro. A couple of factors due to this high manipulation. Is it the best time to enter a trade? No. So what you gotta do when it's not the best time to enter a trade, the only thing you can do is watch, protect your capital. Pretty much it. What is happening with DXY, honestly? It's not about what is happening with DXY, it's what is happening with DXY that gold do not have no reaction on it. So yeah. I don't know how they keep the price like that there's no reaction. It's gold. I mean, there's nobody, you know, but it's gold, bro. Gold is the most manipulated safe haven. All right, so when those type of thing happen, 99% of the time, 90% of the time, the manipulation come from gold. So sell now TP37. I'm in. What do you think? TP37. What do you think? What do you mean TP37? Gold is pushing right now, and look at DXY. Look at this. Right now on DXY, we just took almost. Oh, wow. We almost took $1 right there, just like this. Did not took any single trade today, also not a small one. That's amazing, bro. That's amazing. Protecting your capital is always the way. Always the way, guys. It's night already, yeah? Wow. How long since I'm on live? Look at this team. Oh. That was not possible to do anything on that. I mean, manipulation is way too high. I don't even want to put my capital at risk if it's gonna move like this. Doesn't interest me. Does not interest me really. Guys, I'm gonna close the live right now, alright? I'm gonna close the live right now, team. I'll be back for New York session. I'll be back for New York session in 2 hours. In 2 hours? What time is it right now? In 2 hours, yep. I'll be back in New York session in 2 hours, guys. So make sure to join the tele team. Make sure to join the tele, alright, which is completely free, guys. Completely free. I'll open some spot tonight, okay? I'll open some spot tonight, guys. Link in the bio, team. Click on the triple dot. Open with the browser. You're gonna be in the big tele. And like I said, I will accept every one of you, team. I accept every one of you. I took the trade. That's good. That's good. Just super risky, though. Super risky. There's a reason why I did not took this trade. All right, especially when we broke this 44.50 level. I mean, super risky. See you later, guys. So see you later, team. See you later today. I'm gonna give away two $50,000 account, alright, two funded account later on New York session. I also opened some spot for the private group later on, alright. It's been a week since I didn't open some spots, so thanks to you guys, thanks to you, and have a lovely afternoon. Thank you guys, thank you team. See you in 2 hours, guys. See you in 2 hours, team. I'm gonna be back in 2 hours for this New York session. So big love, guys. Big love. Make sure to give me a follow if you do not want to miss the live trade and to join the tele. Approve Mate. I got you, Monica. I got you. From where does a 44.57 sell zone come? From the 38 fib. From the 38 fib. And look at this. Now we are smashing to the downside. This is crazy. Anyway, big love, CFX team. Big love, guys. See you for New York session. See you, miss. See you, team. DXY is still pushing very strongly. Vincent, thank you for the follow. Thank you, team. And see you later for New York session. CFX team, we out!
Did I say future freak hole or?
I'm still live on YouTube, huh? I always forget to close it. I'm still live on you. Yeah, I know, bro. I always forgot to close it. You know, one day I'm actually gonna forget and I'm just gonna let it on, bro. It's crazy. It's been 2 times, no, that I forget to close the live on YouTube. Um, Look at this massive drop, guys. That's crazy. It's crazy. We've been waiting for 40 minutes, but when the price is so manipulated, guys, I mean, there's no goal of risking your capital. Even knowing, I mean, I was pretty sure that we would draw, but even knowing that, it still doesn't interest me. So so yes. Anyway, guys, on YouTube, I know it's crazy. Yes, on YouTube team. See you later, guys. See you later. See you later. Did the stream bug? Did the stream bug today or no? Take care. Thank you, Ricardo. Just let me know. Did the stream bug today? Do I have to readjust my my camera settings? So it was no, it was fine. Yeah. No, it was great. Thank you, Lena. Amazing. I mean, all good. Amazing, guys. All right, team. So see you later. See you later for New York. Later, I mean, in 2 hours. Not even 2 hours. Something like that. CFX team. Thank you for the support on YouTube, guys. Big love, and do not worry, I will not forget you for the giveaway tonight. Right, for the giveaway tonight. I know we're averaging like between 7 and 12 viewers, so I'll see how I'll do it for tonight. So big love, team. Big love, guys. Take care. See you. Big love, CFX team. See you later for YouTube, and appreciate the support on YouTube. I'm gonna start posting video, guys, live, of course, twice a day. But I'm gonna start posting video either starting from this weekend. This weekend I'm gonna be kind of quite busy, especially with the change of country. But yeah. Okay, team. CFX team, we out.